Problems with the Entheogens Theory, a very short introduction to those problems by Brian C. Hales. A potential problem with the Entheogens Theory, a theory that alleges that Joseph Smith ingested and spiked sacraments with chemical substances to give himself and his followers visions, involves the scantiness of documentation that the theory provides from pharmacological studies and the historical record. Regarding the possible relationship between early church members' visions and the consumption of entheogens, the theory doesn't try to connect the dots. That is, it doesn't describe in any detail how a particular entheogen, say psilocybin mushrooms, or mescaline-containing peyote, or even sonoran toad parotid gland secretions of 5-methoxydimethyltryptamine, have been shown in controlled experiments to produce hallucinations that closely resemble the historical accounts of early Latter-day Saint visionary experiences. Specifically, the article states, Smith used a seer stone to translate, and we hypothesize an entheogen, speaking about the translation of the Book of Mormon. A logical question is, which entheogen, and how did it help Joseph Smith? Questions like these are not addressed by proponents or in the article. Looking at the historical record, we understand that Joseph Smith dictated most of the Book of Mormon between April 7th and the end of June 1829. This is when he ostensibly ingested entheogens as he dictated the words to his scribes. That dictation was published as the 1830 Book of Mormon and mentions 207 named characters 3,780 times with 2 later name substitutions. It also mentions 44 socio-geographic groups 1,674 times with no mistakes, and 149 geographical locations 670 times with 2 mistakes. These numbers show that through over 6,000 recall events during the 3-month dictation, Joseph Smith remembered the names of more than 400 people, places, and groups with over 99.9% accuracy. Multiple scientific studies show that the drugs classified as entheogens universally diminish cognitive ability and memory. No known drug has been shown to greatly enhance memory. Such a drug, if it existed, would be very popular on college campuses today and for old people like me who wish they could remember better. So, just a quick look into science and history cast doubt on the hypothesis that Joseph Smith ingested an entheogen while dictating the Book of Mormon. The point is that hypothesizing is easy, but testing a hypothesis requires work but can be done. Regarding the entheogen theory generally, such tests show that no chemical substance consistently produces only positive hallucinations consistent with early Latter-day Saint visionary reports. All produce some bad trips, but most psychotropic effects are considered non-religious by experienced drug users. Likewise, no direct historical evidence exists describing Joseph Smith learning about, seeking, preparing, storing, supplying, ingesting, or possessing expertise with specific herbs or any substances that might be called entheogens at any time during his life. These weaknesses and many more inherent in the entheogens theory are discussed in my 39-minute video titled The Entheogens Theory Reality Check, available on my YouTube channel. I encourage everyone to check it out. Thanks.